Our today's problem is Leetcode 6 ZigZag conversion. It is a medium layer of problem which consists of topic string and it is asked in companies such as Amazon and Apple. So here you are given with a string, PayPal string, and we have to write it in a zigzag pattern in such a way such that you are given a number of rows in our question. Here in our example 1, we are given with a string, PayPal string, and we are given number of rows as 3. So we have to represent this string in a zigzag manner in only 3 rows. So let's check out it in our Excel form. So here it is given that what is zigzag conversion, taking a string and converting it into a zigzag pattern based on a given number of rows. So we will be considering our 4, 5, and 6 row for our example 1. Here we will be writing this string. So let's write it. So we have written our string in a zigzag manner, which is PayPal PayPal string in our zigzag manner. So for our output, we will be writing this zigzag string in a sequential manner. We will be writing first fourth line, then fifth line, then we will be writing sixth line. So here we got our output. I have added empty spaces to know it clear, to get it clear. Similarly, in our second example, we will be adding one more column here, which is seventh column, and writing the same thing in a zigzag manner. And then we will be writing it in a sequential order. Then first we write fourth line, then fifth, then sixth, then we will be writing seventh for getting our output. So let's write our code. So you will be getting it more clear.
First, we will be checking our nums of row. If our nums of row is equal to 1 or our length of string is smaller than our nums of row, then we will be simply returning our string as. Now we will create a vector of strings and we will name it as rows with a size of nums of row, where we will be storing our character in each row in our zigzag pattern. We will initialize a variable current row equal to 0, which will be keeping a track of our characters. It will go up or down. For that we will be writing a boolean going down equal to false. Now we will be starting a for loop for our character C in our string S. We will be checking for every values in our rows for our and our character C will be iterating for every values. In the question we are given with a set fixed number of nums of row. For example, if you are given with a nums of row equal to 3, then we will be filling the values of our string in first row, second row, third row based on this condition. If our current row is equal to 0 or our current row is equal to our nums of row minus 1, that means our topmost and bottommost rows both are full, then we will be changing our direction of going down depending upon the value of going down. If it either increments, that means 1, or it decrements, that means minus 1, we'll be making the change in our current row value. Here in our string result, all the values which are iterated in our loop will be stored in our result value. For that we have declared a const string, which is a reference string for our rows, where row represent each individual string in our vector. Here result plus equal to rows, that means we will be putting all the values of our rows in our result variable, and at the end we will be returning our result. Now we will be writing a return statement for our code. Return result. checking corrections. Let's run our code. Yes, our code is accepted for all the three cases. Let us submit it.